Now let's look at how project teams communicate their design updates with each other using the Design Collaboration module. In this example, the structural team is ready to communicate their latest design changes to your architectural team. Until now, their sets were still being developed, so they kept them visible to their structural team only. To make these changes available to other teams, they create a package, i.e., a combination of one or more sets to be shared. This package might include the Revit model, an IFC file, and other supporting documents. Once the structural team has created and shared this package, other teams will be notified via the project timeline in the Design Collaboration module. In this example, your architectural team sees that a new package is available from the structural team. After exploring the package and reviewing the changes that will impact their model, you decide to consume the package. This updates the structural links in your architectural team's models with the structural team's latest changes. This also updates the aggregated project model view in the Design Collaboration module, where you will see all consumed models plus your own work-in-progress model overlaid on each other.